Thanks for watching the video. So let me take you through the GCB banking app. Okay, so with my previous video, you can just check in the comment section, or I'll leave it on the screen after this one. I showed you how you can just create the accounts. Okay, so after creating the account, there's just an explanation showing you everything about the app, how you can just use it every single day. Okay, so let me take you through. So if you are new, subscribe and like the video. I'll bring more videos right here on this channel. Let's start with it and let's go. All right, so first you need to log into your account. Okay, so just enter your password and then get access to it. Let me enter mine and then let's proceed with it. Then log into your account. Okay, so after logging in, this is the home page of the app. Look down here, we have the home, we have payments, we have cars, we have help, and we have more. I'm just going to take you through how this app really works and all you need to know about the app. So just stay tuned, like the video and subscribe because more videos will become right here on this channel. Now look at the top left corner, we have welcome and my name is there, and we have last login date 20th January 2024 1:10 p.m. Okay, so let me just tap on the yellow icon right here, and when you come to this side you can see a plus sign at where the emoji is. Okay, so when you just tap on it, you can just add a picture of yourself to it to just spice up your account. Okay, so it's not by force, you can just change it out right there, or you can just leave it like that. Okay, but when you come to this side, okay, we have settings. Just tap on settings. When you tap on settings, we have security settings, so just tap on security settings. This is the first thing that we're going to do. Okay, so we have change pin. So as you create your account, you can change the pin and you can just go to forget pin to reset the pin. Okay, we have change password or update security questions. Okay, so the question that we talked about in the previous video showing you how you can just register it, I think you already got the understanding of it. Okay, and then we have the biometric setup. Okay, so just tap on the biometric setup. So if your phone supports the biometric setup, just come to this side and then tap on or turn on the biometric setup. Okay, so after turning it on, look down here, we have submit. Just tap on submit. Okay, so yeah, so you can see request successful. You have successfully enabled your biometric access to the app. Okay, so you can just tap on view profile or just tap on go home. Okay, so anytime you're going to log in, you don't need to just enter your pin, you need to just enter or just use your biometric and then log in. Okay, so let me just give it a try right here. You can see down here we have use face ID instead. Okay, so let me just give it a try and show you. So only if your phone support, sure, you can just turn it on right there. So that's the first thing. Let me just tap on. Okay, so allow GCB to use face ID. Okay, and then now you can see I did not enter my password, just using the face ID, and I am in. Okay, so let's go back to where we were. Okay, which is security question and biometric. Okay, so now it is turned on. Okay, let's go back again, and then we have the themes. Okay, so we have the spark, which is for daylight, and then we have the midnight. Okay, so any one of your choice, just select it down, just select it right here. Okay, so just go back, let's go back. I think this is okay, this is simple than the other one. The other one is too bright for your eyes. Okay, so when you just come to this side, we have the second one, which is manage beneficiaries. Okay, so here you select transaction type to add or delete a beneficiary. Okay, so we have the funds transfer. Okay, and then we have the mobile money. Okay, so let's say you have other bank account, okay, or other GCB accounts that you mostly want to send money to. You just link it to this account so that anytime you want to send money, the beneficiary number will just pop up. You select and then you proceed. No need to just ask of the account number and those stuff. Okay, so we have to either a GCB account or to other local bank. Okay, so if to a GCB bank account, this is what you are going to do. Okay, so you look down here, add new beneficiary, then you enter the beneficiary account number. Okay, and then you proceed from there. Okay, and then to other local network banks, you just tap on add new, and then you enter or select the mode of delivery. Okay, so which is GIP instant transfer, and then select beneficiary bank, which is either of these bank accounts. Okay, so just look through, let me select this, and then we just enter the beneficiary account number of that bank account. Okay, and I just tap on save down here, and that's all. Okay, so let's go back, and we have the profile session summary, which is letting you know the last login. Okay, so this can tell you whether someone logged into your phone without you noticing it or something. It just a message that will just help you know when you log in and log out, okay, so that if in case anyone log in without your notice, this can really help you detect it, and you can just change your password. You can just change things, your security password and other stuff right there, okay. So they just an alert. And then we have the set the app, and then we have the lock out, okay. So this is what we have for the yellow icon or where your profile is, okay. So now let's come to this side. We have my account, and look down, we have instant accounts. So you can see this is my account, okay. So this is an instant account for GCB, and you can use it for everything. So you can see this is my account, the money that I have in my account right now, okay. So GHS XSXS dot. So on the I icon, just tap on the I icon, and then it will show the amount that you have. So right now I have no amount in my GCB account, okay. So I'll just show you how you can just deposit right here, and then how you can just also withdraw right here, okay. So the question is, someone may ask, will it incur charges? Will there be tax? Will there be those things? Yeah, surely as we just go through, you will see all these things. So just stay tuned and keep watching, okay. So look down here a little, you can see we have the quick access, we have the transfer, pay, buy airtime, buy data, okay. Now tap on the view all at the top of buy data bundle, okay. View all. So here, this is what the GCB mobile app can do, okay. So it can help with bank to wallet, and I'll just going to take you through step by step, okay. So we have bank to wallet, okay. So just select the bank to wallet, and how do you want to transfer, okay. So let's say to yourself, okay. And if you just tap onto yourself, remember that the mobile number that you link to your account, that's the one that you're going to use, okay. So let's say you're going to send money from the bank account to the mobile money number that you link during your registration, okay. Or just go back, and then you can send to others, okay. So to another mobile money wallet or to a phone book contact, okay. So let's say you don't remember the number or the person, you can just search it at your phone book, and then you will just enter the person's contacts right there, and then you will continue sending it. So now let's go back, okay. And then we have buy data bundle, okay. So you can use your GCB to also buy data bundle for your own self or for another contact, okay. Same process for also buy airtime, okay. Same process, okay. And then we have the cardless withdrawal, okay. So with the cardless withdrawal, let's say you have ATM card, okay. You can just request or get a token of which you use to withdraw money from the bank account without you having the ATM, okay. So when just tap on generate token, it will just give you this, okay, from your account, and then your amount will be right here, and the transaction narration optional will be here, and then you just tap on submit, okay. And then you just give that little information right there, okay. And then we have the checkbook request, okay. So with a checkbook request, this one you can just request for a checkbook, okay. So when you just request, the nearest branch, okay, you will get it right there, okay. Or they will just bring it, you just go and pick it up. All right, so with the checkbook request, this is how it is, okay. So let's go back, and then let's go to ACG Prepaid, okay. So with the ACG Prepaid, I'll show you a full video how you can just do that, okay, because it entails a lot. You need to know a lot, so you can just check in the comment section, or at the end of this video I'll show you how you can just use the GCB app, okay, or the mobile app to just pay your electricity bills at home, okay. So that one will be another video, okay. So relax for that one, check in the comment section or at the end of the video for that one, okay. So we have the forex rate, okay. So this one will let you know the banking GCB indicative exchange rate for today, okay. So the currency is here, the buying price is here, and then the selling price is also here. So dollar, buying $1 is 11.90, okay, and then selling it is 12.1800, okay. So it gives you more details about the exchange rate right there, okay. So we have the investment right here, and just tap on the term deposit, okay. So this is an investment platform, okay, whereby you're just going to put an amount down on the GCB for them to just use it and then return an amount for you back later over time. So we have the deposit period in days. Okay, so when you just tap on it, let's say 91 days. So 91 days, which is like 3 months. Okay, so after 3 months, let's say you want to deposit an amount of 1,000 Ghana cedis, and then how much will we earn, or what will be the interest, and then the amount that we will receive later. So let me tap on the calculate. Okay, and then you can see the interest rate is 8 cedis. Okay, and the amount that you receive is 1,019.89. Okay, so the interest rate is 8 cedis and the amount that you receive is 1,019. Okay, so that's it. And then we have the select maturity instruction. Okay, so you close on maturity or you roll over principal amount, which means like, let's say the 1,000 cedis after 3 months, it will just roll out, and then the 1,000 cedis will work out again for another amount to give you that interest. Okay, so you can just withdraw the interest that came on and then still continue with it, or you roll over the principal amount plus the interest, which means everything in again. Okay, or you just close on maturity after the 3 months, you just withdraw. So after that, you just tap on this right here and then you just tap on submit. Okay, so that's it for the term deposit. You deposit an amount right here and then you just make an amount from it. Okay, so that's it for the investment and deposit. Okay, now let's go to loans. Okay, so for loans, for you to get loans from this account, okay, or these banking services, you need to be working with them for a long time before they will give you access to loans. Okay, so you can see no record found here. Okay, so as you use it, you will surely get some of it. Okay, so that's it for the loans. And then we have the locate us. Okay, so for locate us, they need to actually get your location, access to your current location, and then track it to the locations near you whereby they have the GCB bank, and then you can just go there for other stuff. Okay, so for other help as well. So we have the manage beneficiaries, of which we've already talked about. We will not talk about it again to avoid wasting time. And then we have the mobile money right here. I think the same thing right here. If in case you want to send money or withdraw from your account, I'll show you that as well. So don't worry. Just after the explanation, I will show you how you can just deposit and withdraw from your account. Okay, so we have the pay bills right here, and that's where you can just search for anyone, okay, and then make payments. So those of you who are in schools, okay, we have schools option right here. Just tap on schools, and then you can just use this app to just make payments of your school bills. So let's say KNUST or nursing training or whatever that you are. Okay, you can just select that one. Okay, so let's say KNUST University, KNUST. Okay, and then you can see we have other options like, is it KNUST academic fee that you want to pay, or graduation, or residential, or receipt. Okay, and then you select the one that you just want, and then you just enter your ID, you proceed and make payment. All right, so it will all be requesting for your PIN, so make sure you don't forget your PIN. Okay, all right, now what again, we have prepaid card top up. Okay, so card reference details, so enter card reference number. Okay, so prepaid card top up, let's say you have your Visa card or Mastercard, this is where you are going to top up right there. Okay, so you enter your card right here and then you proceed from there. Okay, so let's go back. I'll show you how you can just create a Visa card or Mastercard with this one. So just check in the comment section or the description of the video, or on the screen after watching the video, it will be there. And you just watch and know how you do it. And we have the Prezi Pay. So register for Prezi ID and then you transfer to a Prezi ID. That one is your choice. Okay, so you create a nickname to just transact. Okay, so both of you should have this Prezi ID, of which you use to just make payment. Okay, that one is different, but as you just use the bank account, you send to one bank account to one bank account to mobile money, and then it will be very simple. Okay, so we also have the scan and pay. So with the scan and pay, you just scan using the QR code that the person will give to you, or let's say the person send it to you via WhatsApp. You can just tap on select QR from Gary. Okay, and then sure, you will get the picture of it. It will scan, and then you can just make payment. Okay, or you can also type the terminal ID number. Okay, and then you will just make payment. Okay, now that's for the scan and pay. Okay, we have the settings, okay, of which we've already visited, the security and then the themes. Okay, whereby we change the brightness, we change from that one, and then the password as well. Okay, right now we are at standing order, so this is where you're going to set up an amount, so that let's say you want to withdraw 50 cedis from this account every month. So every month it automatically send that amount to your mobile money number or to that bank account that you just select. Okay, or you just link from there. All right, so we have the statement. Okay, let's tap on statement, and you can see my personal statement, and you can enter the start date right here and then the end date right there, and then to send you the personal statement of your account. Okay, the statement of your account to the email that you have added during your registration. Okay, and then you just tap on submit, you receive it right there. So that's for the statement, knowing everything about your account. Okay, cash in, cash out, and those stuff, you see it right there as statement as they send it to you through your email account. Okay, so now we have what again, the term deposit, which is mostly just like okay, so thank you for using GCB app, your session has expired. Okay, so the more you stay on this app, you have to be logging in. Okay, you see anyone can just log into your account, and as they roam, they can do anything. So as it log out like that, you can just log in if only it is you, but if it is someone, it will be difficult for the person to log in again. Okay, so it's a good thing. Now let's get back to where we were, view all, and then we are at transfers right now. Okay, so you can just transfer any amount from your account to either a bank account, fund transfer, mobile money, POSI, or wallet to bank. Okay, so transfer from your mobile money wallet to your bank. Okay, so now we are through. We are almost through. Yeah, so we have the GCB virtual cards, of which I said just check in the comment section or description of the video for that one on how you can just get a federal card or a Mastercard or Visa card. Okay, and then we have wallets to bank. Okay, so that's from mobile money to your account. So looking at the app, this is all you need to know about the app. Okay, so this is all that you need to know about the app. Now the two things that I promise to show you is topping up your amount, okay, on this GCB mobile app, and then how you can just withdraw from there. So let's go to view all, scroll down, and go to wallet to bank. Okay, so wallet is your mobile money, and then the bank is the GCB bank. Okay, so you're going to select a provider. So your provider can be MTN, can be AT Money, can be Voda Cash. Okay, so mobile money, which is any one of these, you just select. Okay, so MTN is what I will select, and then with the mobile number, you can just enter it right here. Okay, or since during your registration you added a number right here, that's the same number that you're going to use to just top up your bank account. Okay, so make sure you have money on that, or just top up your mobile money and then you just deposit on your bank. Now let me enter the amount. I'm just going to enter, let's say 20 cedis. Okay, now we have the transaction narration. You can just write something like fee or anything, or you can just leave it blank, then tap on submit. Okay, but when I tap on submit, it's not working. So let me just enter fee for the transaction narration. Okay, yeah, and then let me tap on submit. Okay, so make sure you just enter fee or something right there. Now we have wallet to bank guide. Okay, so you authorize the request with your mobile money provider. You return to the app to confirm the transaction. So these are the steps that you need to follow. Okay, you authorize, which is by entering your PIN and then allowing cash out. Okay, and then return to the app to confirm the transaction, and then you wait for some time. The amount will be in your account. Okay, and if in case after entering your mobile money number, your Momo pin, okay, and then the money is deducted from your account, and then you don't come back to the app to just tap on transaction complete or confirmation of transaction. The money will not come to your account, but it will reverse back to your Momo account, okay. It will reverse back to your Momo account, so it will not come to the GCB bank again. It will be reversed. So let me just show you this. Just tap on confirm down here. So please like the video for me, okay. So you can see authorized payment of 20 and the tax is 00, okay. So this is tax free. I don't know, maybe the more the amount or the higher the amount, that's when the deduction will just come in. That's when the tax may be coming in, okay. Then go to one, approve transaction, okay. So payment has been made successful and my current balance is 7 cedis. All right, so let me just tap on confirm. So this is what they are talking about, okay. So request to receive 20 cedis have been submitted to the number, and then you authorize the payment, and then you just come here, you tap on confirm transaction. So if you don't tap on confirm transaction and then you leave it, you go somewhere and later you open the app, my bro, forget, the amount will come back to your Momo account, okay. It will not come here, it will be reversed to your account. So just after making payment, come back to the app and tap on confirm transaction, okay. So let's see if it will come, okay. So you can see status confirmed successfully, okay. Now let's tap on go home. Now let me tap on the I, and then you can see the 20 cedis in my account. It's in my account right now, okay. So now let's say we want to withdraw this amount from our account, okay. Just tap on view all again. We have the view all, okay, and then you tap on bank to wallet. You just tap on bank to wallet, and we have to myself or to others. So with this one, let me just tap on to myself, okay, self transfer, and then I'll just select the provider, MTN. My mobile money number is there, and then my name is there, and then the amount is 20 cedis, and then the the transaction narration is fee, okay. And then let me tap on submit. Okay, so merchant numbers, okay, you can see error, insufficient balance, which means that there is going to be a deduction. That's why it is showing that, okay. So we have one thing I would like to say with the number that you choose is that the number that you use to register the account should not be a merchant number, okay. Or if the number that you use to register the account is a merchant number, you just withdraw using the other way, okay, which is just to others. You just send money from the account to another mobile money number, okay. Yeah, so with myself, it shows that I don't have that much account or that much money in my account, so I'm not going to enter the 20 cedis again, but I'm going to enter let's say 18 cedis to see whether it will go through or not, okay. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. More videos will be coming right here on this channel. Now MTN amount 18 cedis, the transaction narration fee. Let me tap on submit and see if it will work or not. Okay, so you can see from account, okay. So instant account, the balance is 20 cedis, and then the beneficiary details is here, and then we have the amount, it's 18 cedis, and the transaction fee is 0.5, okay. And you can see e-levy is 0.00, okay. So the transaction fee is just from the bank, okay. So it's the bank who is going to enjoy this fee, this 50 pesos, okay. So that's for the bank and not going to the government, okay. So you can see a total amount of payment will be 18.50, okay, 18.50. So as I said, the higher the amount, then I'm sure there may be e-levy or tax on it, okay. Then you just tap on confirm down here, okay, and then you just withdraw from your account. So let me just give it a try by tapping on confirm. So if you guys remember, you need to enter your 4-digit pin that I showed you during your registration. So just enter it right here to proceed with it. Then you select the category for this transaction. This will be used to track your spends, okay. So is it for bar, fun, household, tech, education, health, savings, transport? Okay, so let me just select transport. Okay, submit. All right, so transaction successful. So you can see the amount has been received. All right, so the amount has been received right now from GCB Bank. Okay, so that's all. Just tap on go home and let me tap on the I, and you can see 1.5 in my GCB account. Okay, so this is very simple. This is how we do it. If there is anything that you want to ask, any question, leave it in the comment section. I will just check and then answer you.